Hello. Good morning. If this is your morning, ụtụtụ ọma in Igbo. Good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, or ehihie ọma as the case may be. Good evening. If this is your evening, mgbede ọma as the case may be. Wherever you are, take your own greetings. Were ekele gị. This is a time agreed when we meet to have our live class. So wherever you are, I invite you to join the live class right now. The Igbo tutor is live. Kedu ebe ị nọ? Ndị Igbo, ndị klaasị anyị, ndị otu anyị, you're a member of the channel. This is when to join, and let's start our live class today. The Igbo tutor is live. So wherever you are, as a member of the channel, begin to join us now. If you're seeing me and you are not yet a member of the channel, you do well to join our channel membership. That way, you can gain access to our live class whenever we come live. So wherever you are, begin to join us now. Let's have our live class together. This live class is a time we have created to challenge ourselves to speak Igbo. We may have been watching videos, learning Igbo over the time, but we never had the time to test our level of progress, either by listening to Igbo language being spoken and trying to comprehend it, or speaking ourselves, or writing or translating. So this avenue is where we test our level of knowledge, try to practice what we have learned over time, learn new ones with the help of the teacher and other students that are live in the class. So we learn from each other here. We learn from the teacher, we improve on our understanding. So basically, we do spoken English, Igbo, and then written one. We try to listen, comprehend, and translate. That's what we do here in the live class. So it's a good place to test yourself, practice what you have learned so far, and learn more. So where are you? Let's begin to join the class now. The Igbo tutor is live. Where are you, members of the channel? You are all expected to be here right away. If you are not yet a member of the channel, but you are seeing me now, you do well to join this live class. So who is coming to class first today? Waiting for you. Come on, let's do this together. Yes, waiting for you. Come on board now. Come to live class. Come to class. Let us learn together. Let us learn together. Yes, yes, yes. Waiting for you. Expecting you to come on board now. Where are you? Where are you? Come on board. Channel members, this class is meant for you. So the earlier you come, the better for all of us, so we can use the time judiciously. Yes, who is coming to class first today? Who is joining us first today as we begin? Waiting for you. If you are watching a replay of this live class, you will be a little bit patient so we can have members of the channel that paid for this live class. The live class is, put together courtesy of their, membership fee, and then we need to give honor to whom honor is due. We need to wait for them to join the class before we start. So if you are watching a replay, be patient. Let's wait a little bit more so they can join the class before we start to teach. Thank you for doing that. Chere obere, wait small. Yes, where are we? Channel members, where are you? The Igbo tutor is live. Kedebe unu no? Where are you guys? Waiting for you, waiting for you, waiting for you. Yes, I'm waiting for you to come on board. Ana m eche unu. I'm waiting for you guys. Ana m eche unu. I'm waiting for you people. Where are you? Yes. Where are you now? Come, let's do this together. The Igbo tutor is live. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Let's join the class. The earlier, the better. Yes, let's come on board. The earlier we join, the more we are able to cover. Yes. Yes, I'm waiting for you. I'm here waiting for you to join the class. Who is there? Where are you? Join the class, please. Let's start. Hello, where are you? Waiting for you. By the way, if you have not joined our channel membership, you need to do that. And the simple way to do it is to go to our homepage or right under this video or live class. You will see beside my channel name, black button with the inscription join. You hit the button, it will open to the join page where you need to do the subscription, pay your fee, and gain access to our live classes. That will afford you the opportunity to watch our previous live classes and then get ready for new one that comes up every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. In addition to the live classes, we have free ebook every month for channel members. The ebook comes with audio file, which is downloadable. So it's a double combo, a combo of audio and text, video in one. So you gain double advantage by being a channel member, live class, free ebook, direct contact with the Igbo tutor as the need may be. So you have a lot of benefits that are waiting for you as a channel member. So join today and you'll be glad you did. Thank you for doing that. We are still waiting for our channel members to come on board. What is going on today? Where are you guys? Is there Mehe, Dr. Blahi, the rest of them? Nake, where are you? We know yesterday was U.S. Thanksgiving Day. I hope the carryover effect is not affecting you guys over there. I hope your celebration did not affect you today, did not spill over to today. Still waiting. Where are you? I am still waiting. Come on board. Ndewo Maazị Clement. No, na class in Keta. Keki mere. Please confirm that I'm audible enough. You can hear me clearly. Confirm that. Confirm that, Mr. Imehe. Confirm you can hear me well. Confirm that you can hear me well so that we can start. Because we're not waiting for anybody. All right, that's good. Last week, we began to do a little series on short sentences using different form of those short phrases. Call it phrases, not sentences. So we did some phrases last week using these short phrases. And today we are going to continue in that direction. And we are going on. Today we are doing ihe today. So we are going to use ihe in different forms to make short sentences. Ready? Let's go. Odema. We begin with ihe, ihe ahụ, ihe ahụ. The sentence for us today is achọrọ m ihe ahụ. Achọrọ m ihe ahụ. What did I say? Achọrọ m ihe ahụ. Write what I've just said in English in the chat. Achọrọ m ihe ahụ. If you're watching a replay, do the same thing. Write what I've said in the comment section below. Translate what I've just said into English and write in the comment section. Okay. Achọrọ m ihe ahụ. Emeghe has replied. And he wrote, I want that thing. Excellent. Princess Ndewo. Ndewo. All right. I want that thing. Both of you are correct. Achọrọ m ihe ahụ. I want that thing. That's correct. Number one, scored by both of you. Let's go. Enyi m nwoke nyere m ihe ọzọ. Enyi m nwoke nyere m ihe ọzọ. Translate that. Enyi m nwoke nyere m ihe ọzọ. Let's go. Enyi m nwoke nyere m ihe ọzọ. Let's go. Translate, write in the chat, write in the comment section if you are watching a replay. Enyi m nwoke nyere m ihe ọzọ. I did not write the Igbo version for the one I wrote for the first sentence. Let me write it first as we are waiting for this one. This is what I wrote. This is the first sentence. So let's go for the second sentence. I'm waiting. Let's write what we had immediately. Right, Emehe has written, I'm waiting for Princess. We've gotten Emehe's feedback. Yes, Princess, what do you say to that? Let's go. What is your own position on this matter? Okay, both of you are saying almost virtually the same thing. Emehe wrote, my male friend gave me that thing again. Ezenwa wrote, my boyfriend, which is the same thing as my male friend, gave me that thing again. You wrote the same thing. Let me write the Igbo version. You are not very perfect. You are not correct entirely. A little error is there. Okay, let me write the Igbo version first. But you started very well, but the ending was not perfect. Maybe if I write the Igbo version, you are going to make amendment. Okay, this is what I said. Is anybody making amendment from the first sentence? You want to adjust your sentence? I wait for correction. Who will correct it for us? Princess? Okay. Okay, Clement wrote another thing. Okay. Princess, do you agree with that? Do you agree with that? What do you say, Princess? Agreed or you have another opinion? Okay, agreed. Excellent. Okay. So my boyfriend or my male friend gave me another thing. Correct. Correct. That's it. All right, let's go on. Next sentence. Achọghị m ihe a dị ebe a. Achọghị m ihe a dị ebe a. Achọghị m ihe a dị ebe a. I have made a sentence already. Oh. Let's go. Achọghị m ihe a dị ebe a. Let's go. What does it mean? Write that in the comment section. If you're watching replay, write in the chat right now. Achọghị m ihe a dị ebe a. Achọghị m ihe a dị ebe a. Don't forget. Achọghị m ihe a dị ebe a. Achọghị m ihe a dị ebe a. Listen to me properly. Achọghị m ihe a dị ebe a. Yes. Princess, I got your response. Not very okay. Not very okay. Let me see what Clement says. Let's see what Mr. Clement says. Yes, Clement, what do you say to that? I do not want that thing there. Better effort, but not yet perfect, but better than Princess own. Achọghị m, let me write the Igbo version. Achọghị m. The I should have dot under it. Okay. My D should have I under it. Yes. This is what I said. Achọghị m ihe a dị ebe a. Yes, any amendment? So Clement started it well by saying, I don't want. That is correct. Achọghị m is I don't want. Okay. So the other part is what is missing. Ihe a dị ebe a is what is missing. So Princess, off target completely. Not I want, it's I don't want. I don't want this thing over here. Okay, that's better. Princess, that's better effort. I don't want this thing over here. That's better. Is that over here? Or I don't want this thing here. So, Princess, I give it to you. Okay. I don't want this thing here or over here. That's okay, princess. I give it to you. Thumbs up. So emehe is not that thing, it's this thing here. Okay. We have done that thing already. When we made our first sentence, my boyfriend gave me that thing. That is here. Okay. Okay. Is another thing we use for boyfriend. But I know we have done, okay, we've done here. Okay, that is that thing. That was it. I think that was the first sentence, which is achọrọ m ihe ahụ. That was our first sentence. Achọrọ m ihe ahụ. I want that thing. So ihe is not that thing. So emehe, that is, you went off mark there. Okay, we are proceeding. Okay. O nyere anyị ha ihe o nyere anyị ihe niile anyị chọrọ. O nyere anyị ihe niile anyị chọrọ. A little bit long, but simple. O nyere anyị ihe niile anyị chọrọ. Let's go. Who is decoding that for us? Write that in the chat or in the comment section if you are watching a replay. O nyere anyị ihe niile anyị chọrọ. Let's go there. Let's go there. Yes. Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? I don't know why many of our students are not in class. What is going on? Or you are still doing your, what do you call it? What did you do yesterday? Is it Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving Day? You see, you are still eating your turkey. Thanksgiving turkey today. Yes, let's go. Who is giving out the sentence first? Let's go there. O nyere anyị ihe niile anyị chọrọ. Yes. Let's go there. Yes, 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 yes. Let's do it. Waiting for you. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Okay, princess is in. What is a Clement writing? Also, what do you mean? Mazi Clement. Which one is Ozo? Okay, I should say it again. O nyere anyị ihe niile anyị chọrọ. I believe you've heard me now. O nyere anyị ihe niile anyị chọrọ. Princess is in already. What do you say, Clement? Yes, Mazi Clement. I've repeated it over and over again for you. But you never get it? Okay, you wrote, our people want many things. No way. No way. Princess got it. Very perfect. Nothing to add, nothing to subtract. He gave us everything we want. Wow. Great, Princess. Got it perfectly well. Let me write the Igbo version. O nyere anyị ihe niile anyị chọrọ. That is exactly what it is. And Princess got the translation perfectly well. He gave us everything we want. Okay, Clement said he was distracted. Okay, sorry about that. So you can copy the sentence in Igbo, and the translation done by Princess is very correct. Perfectly okay. Nothing to add, nothing to subtract. Great one. Princess has won this one. Okay. The actual winning comes from when you are able to translate what I said without me writing it. That is when I can give you the mark. If you wait till I write it, then something is still very wrong, because the goal here is to see how much you can understand spoken Igbo on the go. When conversation is going on, whether you can comprehend what is being said, this is a practical session. Writing is good, but when we write, you can translate better. But no one will keep writing for you on the road when they are talking. Okay, so that is the main goal here. That's great. All right, let's go on. Nwanne m nwoke enyeghị m ihe ọbụla. Nwanne m nwoke enyeghị m ihe ọbụla. Let's go. I say it for the last time. Nwanne m nwoke enyeghị m ihe ọbụla. Let's go. Who is shooting first? Who is scoring this point? Who is scoring this one? Who is getting it right? Score the mark. Everyone got the last one perfectly well. Yes, let's go. I think I said enyi nwanne m nwoke. Not, I didn't mention friend. I said nwanne m nwoke. I think that's what I said. Yes, that's what I said. It was nwanne m nwoke, my brother. Okay, you didn't hear it completely. Let me repeat it. Let me repeat it. Listen to me now. Nwanne m nwoke enyeghị m ihe ọbụla. Nwanne m nwoke enyeghị m ihe ọbụla. Can you try again, Princess? And then Clement, can you try again? Princess, did you hear it now? Can you hear? Were you able to hear every part of the sentence, Princess? Confirm you heard me right. Okay. Okay. Clement wrote, my brother gave me many things. Princess wrote, my brother gave me something. Remember, it is ihe ọbụla that I said. Nwanne m nwoke enyeghị m ihe ọbụla. Let me write the Igbo version. None of you got it, though. None of you get it. But let me see if writing it will help anybody. Let's see whether anybody can get it from my writing. Yes. Give it a try again. Now that it is written. What do we have? My brother did not give me. Clement wrote, my brother did not give me many things. Ezenwa wrote, my brother did not give me anything. Ezenwa is the winner again. Ihe ọbụla is anything. So Ezenwa got it, princess. That is the correct answer. My brother did not give me anything. Is ihe ọbụla. Anything. That is ihe ọbụla. Oh, sorry. I wrote did not give anything. I didn't put me there. Sorry about that. I gotta remove that one. I'll rewrite it. My brother did not give me anything. My brother did not give me anything. Yes. That is the perfect answer. Okay. Let's go. Next one. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. Ọ dịghị ihe o nweghị ihe m nwere. O nweghị ihe m nwere. You just say o nweghị ihe m nwere or ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. Both are acceptable. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. O nweghị ihe m nwere. So, what is o nweghị ihe or ọ dịghị ihe? Ngwanụ, let's go. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. O nweghị ihe m nwere. What does that mean? Let's go. Let's go there. Yes. Who is shooting first? Is Clement still in the class? Or we're having network challenge? Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere, ọ nweghị ihe m nwere. Yes. Go on, I'm waiting. Yes. Ezenwa wrote, he doesn't have dash, dash, dash. Good effort. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. Emeghe wrote is taking things. No, not were. M nwere. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. Both of you missed the mark. Let's see. This is the word, the sentence. Can you change your mind? Can you review your sentence now with another option? Yes, think about it. Any other option? You want to review your response based on what I've written? The area. Ichoro ideyari ihidere. Do you want to rewrite what you wrote? Yes, Princess has done that. But still not okay. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. What is Emeh saying about this? From my write-up, can you change your mind? He is not having my things. Okay, you guys tried, but it's off mark. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere is I have nothing. Ọ dịghị ihe is nothing, nothing. Ọ dịghị ihe is there's nothing. M nwere, I have. That means I have nothing. I have nothing. Ọ dịghị ihe m nwere. Some will say, o nweghị ihe m nwere. You see the same thing, I have nothing, or I don't have anything. Is that okay? Did you get my translation? Ọ dịghị ihe, o nweghị ihe is there's nothing. Or simply nothing. M nwere, I have, or I have nothing. Do you get that? Emeghe say mba. What do you mean by mba? I have nothing. Ọ dịghị ihe. Ihe is something. Ọ dịghị, it does not exist. It does not exist. So why are you saying mba? Emeghe. Ọ dịghị ihe. There's nothing. M nwere that I have. So I have nothing. So what mba? What is your mba, Clement? What does it stand for now? That you didn't get my explanation? Oh, you want me to translate it word for word? It is nothing I have. No, we don't translate Igbo like that. Sometimes in translation, the order is rearranged. It doesn't follow the same order. So it is not, it doesn't go like that word for word. It is nothing I have. No, it's I have nothing. Okay, Mr. Clement, you get me? Igbo is not translated word for word that way. Okay, the thought is what is important. The order is not always followed that way. You get me, Mr. Clement? Is that clear? Okay, we go on. Odema. Next sentence. Ha chọrọ ihe ukwu. Ha chọrọ ihe ukwu. What did I say? For the last time, ha chọrọ ihe ukwu. Let's go. Let's go. Ha chọrọ ihe ukwu. Yes. Okay. Princess is in. Okay. Wow. Both of you are on target. You are. Why are you changing what you wrote before? Oh, Princess is the one that wrote, but she sent it 2 times. They have. No? Okay, you corrected yourself. They want big thing. The second one is correct. I said ihe ukwu, so it's big thing. So Mr. Mehe is not big words. No. So, Princess, you are the winner for this. You are leading today. Thumbs up to you. You see, Ike. So this is what I said. Ha chọrọ ihe ukwu, which is exactly what Princess wrote. They want big thing. Okay. Next sentence. Mana ihe nta ka mma. Not ike ukwu. Ike ukwu, I say ihe ukwu. Remember, we are dealing with ihe. You watch through our sentence, you know we are talking about ihe all along. Ihe, which is thin. So we never talk about word. So you cannot assume I said ike. You know when we are using ihe for all the sentences you are making. Okay? The last sentence I made is mana ihe nta ka mma. Mana ihe nta ka mma. Mana ihe nta ka mma. That is in the last sentence. Mana ihe nta ka mma. That is the sentence we are looking at now. Mana ihe nta ka mma. Let's go. Yes. Let's do it. Mm-hmm. Let's go. Clement, what is things nta? Very funny. Okay. Clement began well by writing but, which is manner, which is correct, but. Okay, but but the last part is what I don't know. You join Igbo, use Igbo to complete it. Okay. What I said is mana. Ihe nta ka mma. All right, let's guess what it is now. Now that I've written it. Yes. Can you guess it now? Now that it is written. Mana ihe nta ka mma. You know, it's a follow-up to the last sentence. Ha chọrọ ihe ukwu. Try it now. Whoa. Clement has tried. I wait for Princess. Not very perfect, but a very good trier. 90% correct. I'm looking for the 100%. Princess, am I again? My God. Serious. Clement almost got everything. But in fact, I give it to Clement, except that there is a little thing they didn't put well. But that is manner. Okay. He wrote, but small things. That is ihenta. That is correct. Small thing. Okay. Whether you want to call it small thing or small things. Kamma is better. That is kamma. That is better. Dimma is good. Clement wrote, but small things are good. That is manihenta dimma. That is good. But what I said is kamma. Kamma is better. Or dimma, it is good. Or kamma is better. Did you get it? Small things are better. Or kamma is better. Or dimma is good. Is that clear for everybody? Confirm if you get what I explained. You get it? Good. Princess, how about you? Is it clear? Princess, are you clear with that? Please confirm. Yes, Princess, waiting for your answer. Is it clear? It's clear. Correct. That's good. Right. Next sentence. Ha nyere m ihe nke m. Ha nyere m ihe nke m. That's the next sentence. Ha nyere m ihe nke m. Let's go. Who is shooting first? Good effort by Princess. What did Clement say? Clement, what do you say to this? Mm-hmm. Clement, what do you say? Okay, you are confused at a point. They gave things dash me. Not really. Not really. Let me write it. Ha nyere m ihe nke m. This is what it is. I need a correction. Correct yourself if you can. Princess, you tried. You just missed one word. One word is what you missed. Just one word. So try to correct yourself now, Princess. And Emehe, also make amendments. Correct. Princess, thumbs up. Excellent. Ha nyere m ihe nke m. They gave me my own thing. Very correct. They gave me my thing or my own thing. Correct. Emehe, also correct. Lastly, for today, biko nye ha ihe ha. Biko nye ha ihe ha. That's the last for today. Biko nye ha ihe ha. In the last translation, Princess own is more perfect. Ihe nkem is my own thing, not just my thing, my own thing. Okay? Biko nye ha ihe ha. Princess have come in, tried, but not perfect. What did Clement say? Amen. What do you say to this? Princess wrote, please give them something. Okay, Clement, please give them their thing. Better, better. Please give them their thing. Okay, both of you have corrected yourself, and you are correct. Please give them their thing. Please give them their thing. So, answer gotten by Clement first. Clement, give it to you, and then followed by Princess for a corrected version. Yeah. Let me write the Igbo version. You guys you are too much. Excellent performance. Yes. If you think you have learned something today, you just need to appreciate us for that. And I need to also confirm, have you downloaded your ebook for the month? It has been uploaded. Have you gotten your ebook? Please confirm if you have gotten your book. Confirm if you have gotten your book. Show us some love. Give us a thumbs up. Here, right now, if you think you have learned something today, cheer us up. Okay, and I also want to plead again that we should come to class on time. Let's be here at the time agreed. You know, waiting for 10 minutes here without anybody being around is not very good for us. It's discouraging, and even for replay, it's not good for anybody. Please, let's try to be in the class at the time agreed. That is very important. It's not good. If I don't have faith in you guys, I may just go out before you come. That's not the best. Okay. All right. So, Princess, you get the book. Get it today, please. How about Emehe? Have you got your book? for the month. There's a new book that has been uploaded. Have you gotten it, Clement? Not yet. I will check it out today. Please do. That's right. So you give us a thumbs up, give us your emoji, give us your sticker, give us your super chat as we round up now. I want to thank you for coming around, for filling the gap, for standing in for others, because many people used to rewatch after. But if nobody comes to class, there'll be no class for anyone to rewatch. So I appreciate you guys for being around, and it has been a nice time today. And if you have learned something today, do show appreciation by dropping a thumbs up, hitting the like button, and then show us some love. Okay? Thank you, Mr. Mehe. Appreciate you. You always come to class first most times. Yeah, Princess, it's good to see you in class again. It's nice seeing you again around. Appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for all you are doing to support this channel. God bless you. Chukwu Goziegi. Please hit the like button beside my channel name. Drop your emoji here as we round up. Drop your sticker, drop your chat. Kemesia. See you next Saturday. Kemesia. Chukwu Goziegi. Dalo. All right. We end it here now. Okay.